This 2015 Entegra Coach Anthem 42DEQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Altoona, Iowa, 50009 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Des Moines. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2015 Entegra Coach Anthem 42DEQ is built on a Spartan Mt master chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.